paraan para ma-verify ito para yung sinasabi, ano ang ginawang paraan?
Cheng? Eat ka bread, Cheng? Axel?
I just washed it. I'm so sorry. He doesn't like that.
Mat. Kalat-kalat juga, Mat. Sama tong wipes dito, ate. Oh. Kasagdaan mo tong wipes dito.
Little box, I brought you some flowers.
Kuha tong wipes dito, ate. Eat the bread ang Cheng Cheng.